Use the chicken flavored ramen noodles today for this really, really flavorful noodle dish. It is so good. Okay, so these flavor packets, you know, you get like 1 per each. For this recipe, you only need 3, but if you're watching your sodium, only use, I don't know, 1 or 2, right? So go ahead and leave these out. Make sure they can fit inside your casserole dish. There's a little bit of Tetris going on right there. Just like that. That one will fit like that. And that one just a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna move this out of the way so I can make time and space for the filling. We're going to be starting with 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Make sure you get all of that in there. Y'all get so upset when I just dump it in because you think I'm not using half. But look, all clean. I'm going to add 3/4, that's this mark, of whole milk. You can use half and half if you want a little bit richer too. I'm just gonna use regular whole milk today. Goes in there. Adding 1 can, this is a 10-ounce can of cubed chicken that's been drained. Then we're gonna come in with those flavor packets. I decided I'm only gonna use 2. So 1 packet. Packet. That all in there. Stir just like that. Ooh, it's starting to smell good in here. Make sure you kind of break up those chicken pieces. So there's a little bit in every bite. Now we're gonna add some veggies. So I'm gonna start with this sweet white corn, and this is a 16-ounce bag, so we're only going to use half, so just 8 ounces. Sweet corn, and then I've got peas and carrots. We're going to do the same thing, just half a bag. You know, like, I know a lot of people that I know don't really like the mixed vegetables that come pre-mixed because they don't like lima beans or green beans, so I like doing it this way. Just get some peas and carrots and some corn. And make your own mixed veggie blend that doesn't have the veggies that you don't like. I think that's a good trick for like making veggies for kids too. This way they'll eat the ones that they like and not avoid the whole thing. Okay, now that that's been put together, let's bring these noodles back. And this is gonna get poured all over the top. What's your favorite like mixed vegetable blend? Or is there like a vegetable that you don't like? Let me know in the comments. Like I want to know if your veggie tastes are similar to mine. Let's spread this out. It looks so good already. I can't wait to dig in when it comes out of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead. You know what I'm doing. I'm gonna top it with some cheese. This time I'm gonna use some Colby Jack. This is 2 cups of shredded. That goes right on top, like that. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Look at how this turned out. It's like the coolest kind of Asian take on a chicken pot pie to use ramen noodles. And you know how I'm gonna do this? Dig right into the middle, because chef's choice gets the first slice. Oh, that part wasn't cut. Okay, look at that. Oh my god, that's really good. The veggies are a really, really good touch. The noodles are cooked through. It's such a good take on using ramen noodles. Do this. I think you'll love it.